In this short tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to set up time synchronization between your DSS 8 server and the devices connected to it. It's really easy. First, go to Configuration, then go to System Parameters, choose the Time Sync menu. Over here, everything is turned off, so you need to enable it. So first, schedule time synchronization. The basic is sync interval is 24 hours. If needed, you can set up 12 hours or so. Then what I recommend all the time, sync the time when the device comes online. So when you connect the new device, the time will be automatically synchronized with your devices. If all of the devices are already connected to DSS server, I recommend to sync the time now. The time will be synchronized with all of your devices. If you have your own NTP server or the server is connected to internet, you can set up time synchronization with the NTP server in your network. So just choose one of which you like and click Save. The time synchronization is successfully saved. Thank you for watching this short tutorial.